Welcome to the best picks. The Best Bench Scraper is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools. Despite its ability to seamlessly transition from chopping vegetables and dough to cleaning your countertops, this versatile tool can significantly elevate your culinary experience, no matter your skill level, making food preparation more efficient and enjoyable. Today, we will explore the top bench scrapers available on the market, helping you choose the perfect one to simplify your cooking process. Number 5. OXO Bench Scraper. This versatile tool is a must-have for any kitchen. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, from chopping vegetables to scraping bowls clean. Its sharp stainless steel blade makes cutting dough a breeze. You'll get clean, even cuts every time. The blade features quarter-inch markings, making it easy to measure ingredients directly on the surface. No more messy measuring cups. The soft, non-slip handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, keeping your hands away from the food. It's designed for safety and ease of use. Cleaning up is a snap. It's completely dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleaning. From chopping vegetables and sectioning crusts to scraping baking sheets, it's the ultimate kitchen helper. It simplifies many tasks in your kitchen. What we like? If you value a comfortable grip and precise measurements, this is the scraper for you. Its comfortable, non-slip handle and built-in measuring markings make baking and cooking a breeze. Choose this if you need accuracy and comfort in your kitchen prep. What people say. Fits the bill perfectly for scraping, lifting, and pushing food items. The OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Scraper Chopper is a dream tool for sourdough enthusiasts. It performs exactly as advertised, proving its sturdiness and efficiency time and again. This versatile tool effortlessly manipulates dough, making bench scraping an absolute breeze. It is well made from stainless steel and multi-useful. I can lift the thinnest dough as well as separate dough. I can lift freshly baked cookies. I can mash garlic. I can transport chopped items from my cutting board with this bench scraper. Number 4. Rachael Pastry Scraper. This versatile tool is a must-have for any kitchen. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures it will last for years to come. Made of high-quality stainless steel, it's built to withstand daily use. You can scrape and slice with confidence, knowing it will hold up. Cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, so you can simply rinse it off or toss it in the dishwasher. The ribbed handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. This makes scooping, transferring, and slicing easy and precise. It's perfect for a variety of tasks in the kitchen. Use it for baking, cooking, or any food preparation needs. It features a stylish sea salt gray finish that will complement any kitchen decor. It's both functional and beautiful. What we like? This long-lasting bench scraper is perfect for everyday use. Its durable construction and easy-to-clean design make it a practical choice for any kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable and simple tool, this is it. What people say. It has a ribbed handle so it's easier to hold grip. It has a large and durable surface and also has a scoop feature so that you can easily pick up your vegetables and transfer to pot pan. The taller sides hold more food and make transferring it much faster. The ribbed handle helps to keep a firm grip on the bench scraper. The main metal scoop is very durable and heavy-duty. It does not flex or bend. Also, the handle has a wonderful grippy ridged texture which is great if your hands are wet or greasy. Number 3. ALLTOP Bench Scraper. This versatile tool is a must-have for any kitchen. It's made from durable, food-grade stainless steel and is easy to clean. It's crafted from food-grade stainless steel, ensuring safety and longevity. You can even put it in the dishwasher. This isn't just for dough. Use it to scrape bowls, cut pizza, or even decorate cakes. It's incredibly versatile. The olive-shaped handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip for precise handling. It's easier to use than other handles. Clear measurement markings on both sides help you portion dough evenly. A handy conversion chart is also included. Cleaning is a snap. Just rinse it under water, wipe it down, and let it air dry. What we like? This versatile kitchen tool is a must-have for any baker or cook. Its precise measurements and durable construction ensure accuracy and longevity. If you need a multi-purpose tool with lasting quality, this is the one for you. What people say. It has inch indicators on one side of the blade and measurement converters on the other side. It cuts the dough really easy and nice. It cleans off the countertop really well for anything that's stuck to it. The ruler on the edge is really convenient when using it. The ALLTOP scraper is heavy-duty stainless steel and very well made, suggesting years of durability and use. It is great for use for everything from breaking up walnuts halves, to scraping the pieces, and other hard-to-grab items, into the bowl, to dividing up dough for calzones. Number 2. Ourokhome Pastry Cutter. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, so it's resistant to rust and bending. This ensures you get clean cuts every time, for years to come. It's perfect for dividing dough, slicing pizza, chopping vegetables, or even smoothing cakes. It truly is a versatile kitchen essential. The laser-engraved scale won't wear off, letting you easily portion your ingredients. Baking will be more precise and enjoyable. The handle is designed for a comfortable, non-slip grip, even with wet hands. The handy conversion chart is right there when you need it. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, or you can simply rinse and wipe it. The hanging hole saves space in your kitchen. What we like. For clean cuts and precise portions, this is your ideal choice. The sharp blade and laser-engraved measurements make it perfect for baking and cooking. If you value precision and a comfortable grip, this is the scraper for you. What people say. Just made a pizza from scratch and this scraper was perfect to clean up the countertop, move around the semolina meal, and aid in adjusting the dough ball and rounded pizza dough. Cuts good, handle is hard lemon peel texture plastic but good shape for control, blade is just right 3/5/8, and one edge of blade has a sharpened bevel that cuts good but you would have to try hard to cut yourself, so no worries there like some have said. The measurements on each scraper really helps with making perfect sized rolls and they're so sharp it makes it easy to cut the dough once it's rolled out. Easy to clean. A lot nicer than I expected from the pictures, sturdy, clearly marked ruler, excellent handle. Number 1. ALLTOP Baking Set. This set contains a dough blender and a bench scraper. They work together to make baking easier and more efficient. It's made from high-quality stainless steel, so it's built to last. You'll get years of use from this set. This set helps you create perfectly mixed doughs and pastries. Enjoy flakier biscuits and pies with less effort. It's not just for baking. Use it to chop nuts, fruits, and vegetables, or even to make baby food. The comfortable handles make baking a breeze. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Mixing and transferring dough is quick and easy. It minimizes handling and ensures even pastries. What we like. This innovative 2-in-1 set combines a dough blender and bench scraper for ultimate baking efficiency. Its durable construction and comfortable handle make it a joy to use. If you're looking to streamline your baking process, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It looks nice and feels strong. I can see myself using it to make lots of delicious pastry. Sturdy and good quality. Love having the measurement conversion chart handy as well. Very sturdy and easy to use. Made mango scones first time ever, mixed well with the proper tools and turned out delicious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.